Good morning.
Good morning. 你好.
Did you sleep well?
I slept okay. We didn't sleep in the van, so it wasn't quite as good, but it was pretty good.
Look, I ordered a breakfast burrito, so big. So 我们的女儿不想早起床，我们就给她留了一些，然后还有一个 Greek yogurt， 漂亮。
We are in beautiful Dana Point, California, at the Hilton DoubleTree.
Okay.
Come stay here. It's nice. They give you cookies.
Yeah, they have really good chocolate chip cookies.
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a look.
Let's go.
On the third floor, they have a swimming pool. Yeah, and then look, we have an ocean view. And our room is really nice too. We have a balcony. They told us it's a partial ocean view. Honestly, I see a lot of ocean because we stayed here several times, right?
Oh, yeah.
Like when Hannah was like 7, 8, maybe celebrated her 8th birthday, maybe 12, I don't remember. Several times birthday parties here. We invite Hannah. Oh yeah. We invite Hannah's friends and their families. Oh, it's a really good place. And we just had a breakfast right there. They have a Doheny surf. We had a breakfast. Really nice. Ah, 现在我们到最顶上一层，应该是有个 bar， 不知道它的 bar 有没有开，走上去看一下。灯也很漂亮。现在大概是因为疫情，还是疫情期间，所以 bar 没有开，但是可以到这边有个 longboard。这边有些沙发可以坐下来。And we usually park all the way over there for like day camping. Yeah, this is so nice. Can you see? Oh my God, there's our van right here. Look, we brought our van. The top, our roof, the top of our van. You see, we have the huge box right there. That's AC, right? And we have solar panels, right? How many watts of solar panels? I don't even know. Maybe like a 300 something, right? It's a so gorgeous place.
Hey. 你好，我是泰森老师. And inside I'm competing with the music. Outside I compete with the traffic. Hello, traffic. So, this idiom is a walk in the park. Because after I'm done with this, Lula Lauscher says I can go get Hannah, and she and Hannah and I will go across the street to Doheny State Park and go for a walk. A literal walk in the park. Now, the idiom a walk in the park means something that's very easy to do. And it's like comparing a walk in the park to walking up and down hills or walking on a beach, which is not always that easy. But a walk in the park is something easy, and it's supposed to come from the 1930s, according to idiom.com, but I can't believe that. I mean, I just think that it must be an older expression than that, but I have no proof. That's what I'm going with. Filming a video and getting good sound is not always a walk in the park. 再见。
酒店的 lobby 大厅还蛮漂亮的。就是没有人游泳。Yeah, we are right next to PCH, but the hotel is pretty good. I couldn't hear anything. Yeah, I had a really good sleep, but I have to say our van is better.
I think I had a better night's sleep in the van than I will.
Yeah. Okay, talk to you guys later.